Your chair smells like heavy rain. What does that even mean, in your opinion? Like, what does that mean?
Aren't you gonna go play with the other kids?
My lame ass. If my son lame like these, bro. Oh yeah, his brother died. Never mind.
Is something the matter, Sean?
His brother died. He's allowed to be lame like these.
No, I'm alright.
Come on, Sean. You hungry?
Do you want to eat something? How did things go at school today?
I was punished because I didn't do my homework.
Why you ain't do that shit? Nigga, I told you to do that shit.
I'm sorry about that, Sean. Next time, we'll really pull it together.
Hey, Rage not gone lie. I hope your knee and shoulder heal soon
Maybe
so
you
you
don't
can
know.
get back on the court.
Finally a dumb.
Just kidding, you disabled bum bitch.
I'm gonna fucking throw up. I'm gonna throw the hell. I'm gonna puke. What is wrong with y'all, bro?
Okay.
I mean, that's tough. How do I get up, bro? Why the game not? Why my remote not? You know what I'm saying? Get the fuck up. Stupid ass dono. Wanna go on seesaw?
I haven't been on a seesaw in a long time. What do you think?
You wanna go seesaw?
Yeah.
Okay. Wanna go seesaw? You want chicken nugget? You want chicken nugget? You want seesaw? Get on seesaw, you peg.
Come on, Dad, make me fly.
Gotcha. I already know y'all on fucking weird timing. I don't even gotta look at you. I already know y'all on weird timing.
No, Dad, you're not doing it
what
right.
the
You gotta
fuck?
push off at the right time.
Flags is gonna drop you off, not gonna lie, your kneecap might fall off. Your press sales.
You having fun? You having fun? But does that not hurt? Okay, yay, thank you for the 5. Get this, my boy. Good job, son. Even though you did absolutely nothing. Wanna go merry-go-round?
What about that merry-go-round?
I'll make him
I
happy.
bet I can push you so fast you won't be able to stay on it.
Are there different endings in this shit or no? If not, I'm not playing with this kid. Yeah, I bet.
Go on, Dad, as fast as you can.
President schoolyard, you are not lying.
Faster! Faster! Come on!
Are you a slave, bro?
faster.
Am I your slave, dog? This guy looks so depressing. That's what Detroit looked like, bro. This is how I pictured Detroit.
Chat, can you give me some pickup lines?
Whoa! I
Give
think
me
my
some
head is
pickup.
spinning.
Good training for astronauts, though.
What you got, my boy?
He seems to be having fun.
Do more
It's been a long time since I've seen that smile. I'll find something else to do with him.
Merry-go-round.
Sorry for that, Lono Josh. I am very sorry. You sexy bastard. A human like me actually hopes Yoni heals.
Right,
so
right.
you can get back on the court and win against
Right.
Flight.
Yeah, I don't forgive you. Put my son on the merry-go-round, bitch ass nigga. Put him on it. What the fuck? Is that Lotario? What song is this, chat? Was that Family Guy? Wait, what?
Bro, I'm 17 and still I am a tier 3 card holder. I feel like we are human.
Take the L? Bro, I don't know if it was take the L, bro. Was it really? Bro, why you walking like a geek? Come to the marquee bars, stupid nigga. Where my son at? Jit. Maybe the slide? You think? Whoa, you stupid kids! Why these grown ass women on the floor, bro? Oh, that's a Jit. Look at Terrio. Oh, that's not Terrio. Come here, son. What you got going on, bro? Sonny boy. Check your bag right quick. See if you got some weeds.
You know how to use it?
No, not really. I can never make it come back.
Can I give it a try?
Ain't that motherfucker. That shit finna come back like shit, boy. Catch it. Oh, you cut that motherfucker too. The fuck is an IG? I don't know. You never had an IG before, Kiara. I don't know. I don't know. Never seen Kiara on IG before.
Whoa, you did it, Dad.
Do you want to give it a try?
I won't be able to do it.
Oh, come on, let's try it together. Now, the main thing is to get the right position at the beginning.
Backstreet.
You gotta throw it straight and a
Tuck your
little
shit.
to the right.
Gotta teach the stupid ass shit how to play this shit. Slide those. Slide those.
Now,
Posture.
throw it!
Throw that motherfucker. You have to catch it, wait for it to come back. Oh, good
I
job.
did it! I did it, Dad!
Good job, Sean. See? That wasn't so hard.
Good job, dummy. Alas, father, you wallin'. Look at my Pega son. So proud of him. Let's go.
Looks like rain's coming.
This
think
game
you
all about
better
a
go.
rain.
Okay.
This game always all about a heavy rain, bro.
You know, sometimes I remember before. I mean, when Jason was still here. Sometimes I wish everything could just be the way it was before.
Me too, Sean. Me too.
It's the boring part of the game. Just wait. Shit. Easy. W joke, thank you. Big racks only. Appreciate that. Take me to the exit, dummy.
Hey, Dad, can I have a ride on the carousel? Can I?
It's about to rain,
Sure.
stupid shit.
Go pick a horse and get on. I'll get a ticket.
And my son want one.
One, please.
You want a
That's
horsey?
solid.
These motherfuckers some scammers. $1 to run in a circle for 60 seconds, bro. Good luck. This nigga fall off and break his head. That is the L dance on Fortnite. What's up with you, freak ass nigga? My dildo fell off. I flicked that shit so oh my god. Where's the oh my clutch timing, bro. I fucking flicked the fuck my dildo. I guess I don't need my dildo here. But damn, bro. Why do y'all say question mark every time I say the dildo thing, bro? You know what I'm talking about. I'm talking about the fucking control freak. Not an actual dildo, idiot, idiota. I need some new dildos though. Sean! Sean! Where you at, Papeg? Sean! Doing a race, boy. Bro, did I really have a blackout? Did I really black out? Go to the... Sean! How I run? How I run? Sean! Sean! How I run? Sean! 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 I'm gonna throw up. There's no way, bro. Does he have something in his hand? No way he has a fucking origami thing in his hand. I'm gonna puke. This nigga's a killer. He's a killer, bro. He blacks out, kills people, just remembers shit, and now there's an origami killer. That's him. Simple. Now he lost his son. That's tough. RP Shamanuel. Bro, L as human. He's an L human, dog. Got a smart one over here. Are you gonna... You have unlocked a new bonus? What does that mean? Little cutscene or some shit? Why did them cups down there have drip, bro? Why they had that drippy ass coat?
Do you think it's gonna take long?
No, he should be finished soon.
Okay, which character am I? Which character is this? Let me remember. I remember there's a fat nigga. And is this the one that was on the scene at nighttime? Chat? And they're doing the detective work on one of the origami killers. He was like, all right, baby. Yeah, this nigga loves Zanny Wanny. Bro, what the fuck? This nigga playing. Oh shit, nigga like me finna knock this shit down, boy. What's up? That's fire. That's fire. bored of this. I really about to take these glasses back out and do this shit again, bro. We're not doing this again. Motherfucker. I switch angles.
I'm off, Charlene. I'll look at the reports later. I'll cancel all appointments for this afternoon.
Okay. Oh, Captain. Agent Norman Jaden from the FBI is here.
Yes, sir. I am like shit. What's up, bitch?
Jaden, of course. We've been expecting you.
I wanted to name
I'm
my
in a bit
son
of a hurry. Do you
Jaden
mind
my whole
tagging
life.
along? We can talk as
Till I
we
met
walk.
Trigger.
Yeah, of course. I wanted to introduce myself before getting started, but perhaps there's a better time.
No, it's fine. I just have to get to the press conference. We have them every day now. Believe me, it's not always easy finding something to tell them. Fortunately, today we have some news. Have you met Lieutenant Blake yet?
Yeah, we met this morning.
He has his own methods, but he's a good cop. I'm sure you'll get on well together. Do you know how to tie a knot in a necktie?
I guess.
Fuck?
I care. Let's hear your. What you talking about?
To be frank with you, I could have done without the FBI on this one, but the press are all over us. This origami killer case crept up on us, and it's fast becoming a national concern.
My game glitched.
There are
My game
hundreds
literally
of
glitched.
killers in this country, but what do you know? This guy
My game
is
glitched.
exotic. He leaves flowers
My game
and
glitched.
origami figures.
I broke the
Work
system.
That one out. And
I broke the
press
system.
Get onto it, and we suddenly become the
Let's see
center
where
of
we
the
go.
universe.
I'm here to arrest a serial killer.
Let's see where we
With
go.
all due respect, sir, the rest of it, it's none of my business.
No, of course not.
Oh my! I'm gonna.
All
throw
I'm
up.
asking is that you make progress, and fast. The press want a perpetrator.
What the-
And we're gonna have to serve him up on a silver platter. Well, I hope you're better at profiling than at tying knots. Oh, forget it. I'll manage.
I'm different.
Can your classes do that too?
Oh, go see
Yes.
Charlene. She'll show you to your office. Yeah, check in on the press conference if you're interested. It'll give
See
you an
Charlene
idea of
and
the
check in on the press
political
conference.
climate around here.
Thank you, sir.
Where's
Welcome
Charlene?
to
Is
the
she
club,
bad? Can I
Jaden.
fuck? Look at that bald head. Boss fight. Where's Charlene at? Are you Charlene? Hey, Charlene. What's good, shorty?
I should get Perry's assistant to show me my office. I can't wait to get to work. I'll have a look around the station. Stretch my legs for a bit.
How am I supposed to know where Charlene at?
Captain Perry is doing his press conference now. Might be interesting to have a look.
You in 10 years. What the fuck is wrong with you?
Yeah. 5 days after he was reported missing.
Get behind that.
Autopsy will be conducted tomorrow to determine the exact cause of death, but going from first indications, it would seem that he drowned. The state in which the body was found suggests the methodology of the origami killer. The investigation should confirm this in the coming days. The police are continuing to work around the clock to find the murderer
Tell me
as
about
quickly
myself.
as possible. I'll field some questions. Yes.
You said the
You
methodology
think rain
indicated
triggers this
another
nigga
victim
shit?
for the origami
Because every
killer.
single time it's
Can you
been
be more
raining.
specific?
Can we get new sub-badges for over 12 months?
An
future,
origami
please?
figure was found in the victim's hand, and an orchid
I
was
get some
placed
year and a
on
half.
his chest. His face was covered with mud, but there were no visible traces of violence to the body. Go ahead.
Origami
The Zodiac
killer.
killer was never identified. Perhaps the origami killer will never be found either.
I don't think
Nigga like
there's
me
much
not
chance
trying to
of
get
that.
caught. But this
For the
nigga kind
moment,
of.
The killer may think he's invulnerable,
Do I want to
but
get
in the
caught?
end he'll make a mistake and we'll be there to arrest him.
I had to see which characters I fuck with more. Alright, where's Charlene at? Charlene! Where you at, shorty?
Help us understand.
I saw Blake when I arrived. Maybe I should go talk to him.
Some people are saying that the police were slow to take an interest in these murders because the victims lived in
Bro, sit down or leave. Nigga like me left like shit, bro. I'm looking for Charlene, bro. I ain't gonna sit there listen to that press conference. Fuck I look like. Is that her? She look kind of. Is her booty shaking? Perry?
Strange character, Captain Perry. Seems to be more interested in meeting the
Shorty,
press than
what's
investigating
up?
the crime.
Where my office at? Bro, you dumb bitch. What about this stiff walking bitch? I don't know, zoom in. Like I'm zoomed like shit. Let's go. Let's go, nigga, why you turning like that, you bitch, nigga? Go this way. Bitch ass. Oh, is this Charlene? It's gotta be Charlene. It's gotta be Charlene, bro.
Nice watch.
Oh, it's the present we offer to our new lieutenants. We bought the same model each year for the
This
past
Charlene
20
like shit.
years for each promotion. It optimizes everybody's time, and it's the kind of thing that always goes down well. You can contribute to our fund if you like. We're still a few dollars short.
This Charlene like shit.
Congratulate Larry on my behalf.
I'll be sure to do that, sir.
Your ass up and show me my desk, boy.
Captain Perry said you could show me to my office?
Yes, sir.
Of course. Follow me.
I'll blow this bitch back out. Was she got a fatty? Sorry, nah, no. She look kind of disgusting. Not gonna lie. She like she fucking like if she was a teacher or a principal. She'd be mean as fuck. She'd be annoying. I ain't gonna lie. She might be kind of.
This?
Come in here right quick for me, shorty.
This is my office?
Like an interrogation
That's where I was
room.
told to take you. If you need anything, you know where to find me.
Hold on, shorty. Come back. Come here. You niggas put me in an interrogation room, bro. Called it an office. You got windows?
Okay, time to work.
Bro, this is a jail cell, bro. Look at this shit. This is where they had him in fucking The Walking Dead, bro. That's how they broke out. They climbed that shit and they hopped out that motherfucker. Season 3. Read about it. What the? Remember that shit? Oh God, you do, cause you a W. You about to flip this man? What the fuck? Alright, bet. It's looking better already. Low key. Looking less like an interrogation. Is that cobwebs on the fucking. Bro, get these webs out of here, bro. You disrespectful little fuck. They need a fucking E1 racing chair, bro. Josh office. Josh office.
Step 1. Change the office.
Man, I miss Swap Vesta.
See, you miss what, Vesta? The fuck is this? What the? Nah. Go back. Change that shit. I don't like that. What the fuck? I can't focus in here. What's this? This is actually fire, bro. I need these glasses, chat. I'm not gonna lie. No, I want to be in the clouds. Wait, what? Ooh. Nah, this is low-key just scary. This is actually just scary at this point right here. Looks fire though. What does fall look like, bro? Oh. I mean... guess. Which was the best one, chat? Fuck it. Mountain? Mountain was low-key fire. Whatever. Fucking cloud
Well,
ones.
well. Looks like there's something new.
Light imagery. What? How do I analyze it? Bitch ass nigga. Get that shit back, idiot. Idiota. Analyze that motherfucker. Yes, sir. Chad just had to chill, bro.
Harry, comment. Tire tracks on the side of the road behind the railroad line. It may be the killer's car.
Why? I don't know. I think cold air just fucking hit my back. Okay. Geoanalysis. Okay. No data. Did I say data or data? I say both, I'm not gonna lie. Depends on my mood.
The killer's car is probably a Chevrolet Malibu 83.
I don't want to miss none. No data. Opens mouth. Bro, what?
No prints or specific clues. Nothing much to go on.
You guys like, you know what he doing? I know what I'm doing like shit.
Just one origami store in town.
Ooh, interesting, chat. Ooh, the detective in the building, you know. So I'm geo-analyzing and fucking analyzing every little fucking piece of shit. Watch me analyze this flower. Edie,
Common
W-E-M-O.
species. That doesn't help much.
Common species, so there's no point of geo-analyzing this. Give Jade a mod.
The orchid is a common species. It can be found at any flower shop.
Wait, hold on. I don't think is she back already? She ain't tell me she joined yet. Kira, anything else she tells you, it's cap. Don't believe it. Files. Set the files. This nigga flicking through files. Why? I just don't. It's cap.
8 victims in the last 3 years. All boys, aged between 9 and 13. No signs of violence. The victims disappear from public places in broad daylight. No one notices anything.
No one notices anything.
Bodies are found 3 to 5 days later.
This nigga got an accent?
Drowned in rainwater.
Yo, BR. What accent is this, chat? Later. Alright. Only song. Open that.
Always the same ritual. An origami in the hand, an orchid on the chest.
Yeah.
The victims have always been dead for less than 6 hours when they were found, which means they remained alive for several days before being drowned. Over 3,500 people questioned. Over 100 suspects interrogated. Not a single lead to go on.
Nope. That nigga don't. No point of a I can't geoanalyze this shit, right? It's a fucking. Does that even make sense? Environment. Oh, I could change my shit. We going to the moons. Went to the clouds. Idiota. We the feds right now, huh? We the feds like shit, boy. We trying to catch ourselves on some shit. Get out my fucking face, bitch ass nigga. Map. So what the fuck do I? Oh, I already did all that. What the fuck? These glasses got this nigga twonked out, chat. Chat, he's twonked.
Here we go again. I better go wash my face.
Get your ass up, bitch boy.
I need to take some.
If you tell me you love me and give me kisses, I will sub right now.
I love you. Bro, this nigga's twonked the fuck out though.
I'm gonna faint if I resist.
Nigga,
It's
what?
alright.
This nigga.
No, I can make it.
Nigga
No.
Trump, boy.
I know I can make it.
Don't walk, idiota. Nigga leaning. What the? Take the trip. What the? What just popped in his hand, bro? What we doing? Bro. What is that? Let me finna take that trip, boy. Oh, fuck. Oh. Oh, boy. Neat like me finna take that trip, boy. Rugs. This nigga really twonked out on some shit in the quay. Bro, is that me? Yeah.
This is Lieutenant Blake, Mr. Mars. Could you please tell him what happened?
It was this afternoon. I went to the park with my son, Sean. We played together for a while, and then he wanted to go on the carousel, so I put him on one of the wooden horses, and when I turned back, Sean had disappeared.
Exactly what time did you arrive at the park? Try to remember exactly, Mr. Mars. Every detail can be important.
It must have been about...
Wasn't nice from me. I hope you get better soon on
I don't know what time.
kisses.
Chat, what the fuck time was it? Chat, what time was it?
5:30,
I didn't even choose.
I'm not really sure.
I didn't choose that.
What was your son wearing when he disappeared?
He was wearing a coat.
Oh. Oh my god. Oh my god. What color was that nigga's coat? What color is that nigga's coat? I thought it was like red, some shit, like orangish. It was beige? Good luck? Bro, I could have sworn that nigga coat was like, wait, what are my options? Green, black, orange? No, bro, all y'all say different shit. Bro, I swear that shit was like brighter than mine, that's for sure. But I'm down bad, boy. Fuck. I'm just have to choose, bro, on some shit. I'm fucked up in the quay on some shit. Oh my god. I don't want to fuck up. Y'all are saying different shit. Oh, yo. Bro, that shit was like, I ain't gonna lie. Fuck it. I know I help. Bro, what are these? I'm going beige. Why didn't you let me choose? Coat. No, it was beige. Why didn't you let me choose? Bro, why is it choosing for me? It definitely was not black, bro. How do we start, bro? Why did it choose for me, bro? You idiot ass nigga. What are those? What were those options? Beige, black, orange, and what did it say? Green or some shit? Is your controller full? No, like when you take too long, it chooses for you, I guess. Hold on, I actually want to see what color was that nigga coat though. Let's go back. All right. I don't even think it had any of the options. I don't think none of the options was that. Was this shit like gray? Gray? Yes. What color is this shit? Good luck. What is that? What color is that? Isn't that like white or gray? That was none of the options. That's beige? That do not look like beige, bro. This nigga fall off and break his head. That is the L dance on Fortnite. Why did I say break his head? Nah, that's like a white, bro. Look at this. That's not beige, nigga.
Jason was still here.
It's like a gray.
Sometimes I wish everything could just be the way it was.
And I was gonna say red too. I said red, but that was a shirt.
Me too, Sean. Me too.
That's beige as fuck. That's beige, bro. Beige is like a lightest fucking grayish, I mean brownish fucking tone. That is not that, bro. This is like a white gray. This is beige. It wasn't beige, bro. That shit was gray than a motherfucker, bro. What's than the other options? Nah, they just fucking. This nigga said black,
and a pair
bro.
of pants.
Oh my fucking god! I was just looking at this nigga pants. I don't fucking remember. I ain't going back. I ain't even going back. I was just looking at this nigga pants, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Nigga like me might go back like shit. Hey, should I go back? This shit was like black or some shit, bro. No? Bro, I swear his pants was like black, bro. Bro, on God, they was black, bro. He was drippy, dog.
Black pants.
Go back. Okay, let's see who got it right. Where you at, dummy? That's black, right? What is it? Is that green or black? Thank you. Big racks only. Appreciate that. Take me to the exit, dummy. This nigga not getting found, bro. That nigga not getting found, bro. Oh my, I'm gonna puke. I'm gonna puke. That's green light. Nah, you can't tell me you didn't think that was black too at first, like from memory. I didn't go back in the VOD. Bro, that shit green like shit, bro. Oh my god. You said green? Why would I was thinking about green? I was thinking about some bright shit. I ain't gonna lie. It's up for that nigga, dog. That nigga not getting found, bro. I wanna throw
How could Sean have disappeared without you even noticing? Weren't you right by the carousel?
Can't remember.
I can't remember exactly. It all happened so fast.
You say you took your son to the park after school, but you didn't report him missing until 8:15. Why did it take you so long to contact the police?
I was looking for the nigga. Searched?
I searched the whole neighborhood for him. I thought he couldn't have gone far.
All right. That's all the questions I have for now. You're free to go, Mr. Mars. We'll continue to look for Sean overnight. We'll contact you if we have any more questions.
Do you think the Origami Killer...
Listen, your son's probably just run off and he'll turn up in a couple of hours.
Yeah, you, nigga, you're him. So yeah, maybe.
But what if it is the Origami Killer?
Well, then we have about 4 days to find him alive.
That's tough. So what's he gonna tell his wife? Oh my god. I'm gonna throw up.
Did they find something?
No, nothing yet.
Oh, this is such a L-ass like. This is such an L-ass human, bro. Is this her? Is this the bitch? Is that the wife? Bro. How do you lose both sons? And the first one, you wasn't even twonked out. You were just just wasn't on timing.
But they're gonna keep looking through the night.
Do they think it's the Origami Killer?
You cannot leave your jits with this nigga, bro. Just
It's
don't,
still
bro.
too early to
You
say.
can't, like, give this bitch custody, bro. What is she, a meth head
But
or
it
some
is a
shit?
possibility.
What happened, Ethan?
I don't care what nobody
How could
says.
you lose Sean like that?
Sean deserves to die for
You
that
should never have
terrible
taken your
fit.
eyes off him. I mean, for God's sake, how hard is it to keep your eye on a child in the park? Why did you leave him, Ethan? Why? Wasn't it enough losing Jason? I'm sorry. It's not what I meant to say.
You meant to say that shit like shit, and it was deserved. Fuck wrong with you, stupid ass nigga, dumb ass nigga, ugly ass nigga.
I miss him so much.
That's tough. It's tough. Ugly ass mole, bro. That's a ugly motherfucker, bro. I'm this cop nigga now.
Good evening. Good evening to you, sir.
Detective.
Can I help you, sir? Well, I hope so. My name's...
Okay, see, chat, you see this human being right here? This man, he's fucked bitches, and he's probably fucking bitches as we speak. Why are there humans on the planet that's letting a nigga like these, that look like these, that like just operate like these? Fuck. Like, big ass belly, just fuck. Like, why is that even a thing, bro?
T, where the hell was she? Huh? She really left her kid with him when he already lost the other one. But why? Because she's a Pepega? That's why you bastard? Mom.
Scott Shelby, I'm a private detective. I'm
Land
investigating
why
the case
aren't
of the
you
Origami
asleep,
Killer.
motherfucker?
I'd like to ask you a few questions. My son is dead, Mr. Shelby.
Bro, on God, she just wakes up and eats.
More to say. The killer has kidnapped another victim. A 10-year-old boy. Like your son, Risa. I have 4 days before we find
opens her
his
eyes
body
and grabs
on a
chips.
deserted stretch of wasteland. No one did anything to save my son. Now, you would please to move along, sir.
You make it. So when I'm done, ready.
I also lost someone I loved. I know what you're feeling. Then you will understand.
that I do not wish to talk about it.
Oh, do you sell inhalers? I'm all out, and at least I won't go away completely empty-handed.
In the back of the store, to the right.
Thanks.
Wait. No, the Hazan.
Pity he didn't want to talk. Might have known something. Goddamn asthma. Can't breathe when it rains.
This game all about a fucking rain, bro. Make me sick. What city is this again? Detroit? Jock, you plan on having another kid?
Good evening, sir.
Oh, this nigga's a killer. He about to stick this place up. It's up.
Are you looking for something in particular?
Don't forget what I seen earlier.
Give me what you got in the register. Don't fucking try
Is
and...
that a 45? What gun is that?
Open the register, you dumb fuck! Put the money on the counter! Shit, are you deaf or what? Are you gonna open that fucking register or not?
No, sir. You do not have the right to steal that money from me. I have worked very hard to earn it. You cannot have it.
What did you say?
Nigga,
you're out of your fucking
this
mind,
movement
man.
is Pepega.
You don't get it, do you? I'm gonna put a fucking bullet right between your eyes if you don't do what I say now.
You shall not be robbing my register, sir. That money is mine. I ask you now to leave before it is too late.
Christ, goddamn idiot! Open the register. Don't make me fucking kill you.
No, sir. That I cannot do.
I'll waste you, man. I ain't joking. I swear to God, man, I'll blow your fucking brains out.
Bitch ass nigga! Come out. Oh fuck, I was looking at chat, look at chat. Bitch ass nigga. What's up? Pussy war.
1,000 thank you, sir. I don't know what would have happened if you had not been here.
Well, at least I didn't come by for nothing.
Now suck my cock.
Have a nice day.
When my boy
Whip this
Reza
slab out on the table.
disappeared, I received a letter with a locker ticket inside. Inside the locker, I found this box. I do not understand what it means, but I think it must be a sort of message from the man who took my son from me.
Can I?
Pussy what? What you talking about, pussy what? The fuck is
Please,
that?
take the box if it can be of any use to you at all.
I'm about to throw up.
It did not help me to save Reza, but maybe it will help you find the other little boy.
I ain't gonna lie, this game getting heat.
Mr. Shelby, I was beginning to think that there was no good to be found in this place. I can see now that I was wrong.
You just gonna leave this nigga on the floor, bro? I don't even want fake spoilers, bro. Because fake spoilers are actually spoilers because you're saying something that's not going to happen, so I know that's not going to happen, so that just ruined the possibility of random. Wait, did that nigga actually spoil? Tell me right now so I can stop playing this game. Alright. I'm not playing. If that's the end, if I actually look, bro, y'all was too slow with that shit. Y'all should have banned. Y'all should, bro. I'm not, bro. I'm not. If that's actually the spoiler, like that's the whole thing, bro. I'm not playing this shit, bro. JK, Yeah, JK. Yeah, JK, now JK. Yeah? Bro, let me know right now so I can just not play this game, bro. You way too late, bro. I do not believe any JKs, bro. You didn't peep at first. The nigga put it between emojis saying spoiler alert. Like flashing emojis. A different ending. I mean, you can't change that. He just told me who the killer was, bruh. Oh, I'm talking about a different spoil. I don't know who you talking about. The nigga who said the blank is the killer. The blank is actually the killer. It was two niggas that said that.
Watch out, Josh, there can be nudity in this game. I've played this game, believe me.
Did you jack off to it? I said, I thought it was a fake spoiler, and then he goes, yeah, he spoiled. She goes, yeah, he spoiled like shit. My nigga, what? I would have been better off thinking it was a fake spoiler, bro. Bro, if that's actually the end, please someone let me know. Why am I a thought, bro? Who was this bitch? Hold on. I fucked myself. Hold on, why she kinda fucking pang. She walk pang like she built like an ironing board on some shit, but it's alright. She walk pang as shit. You don't need all that shit, shawty. She walk pang, boy. Look how she walk with the hips. Got a little cuff. Little cuff.
This is why you need to mod me and Jada so we can clip grunts that spoil since we played the game before.
That wasn't a grunt, and Jada was a mod, and Jada wouldn't be able to do shit now because she didn't have her PC yet. Even if she was a mod. What you talking about? Where am I going, bro? Got the lane bad, bitch. And I saw that shit too quick, bro. Like, I saw as soon as he typed it because I was talking to chat. As soon as it popped up, I seen it. Why my remote vibrating?
I'm beating to this.
I'm just letting you know. Just let me know if that's a real spoiler now, so I can stop playing now. Better than getting everybody hopes up, and when I realize it is a real spoiler, midway through the game, I stop playing. I don't fuck with that spoiler shit. Because if it is now, I don't care. Ahaha. Get on the laptop. Let me get on Twitter right quick. What the? W titty meat. Just don't repeat it, nigga. Like me about to repeat it like shit. My eyes are your eyes. Oh, there's definitely someone in my crib.
I swear I heard something. Good job, Madison. I think you're starting to lose it.
Watch the horror POV, you won't forget. Yeah, she did. Now she got some legs on her and some shit. You know what I'm saying? Feel nice. She's cool. It's real on God. Oh, the cop is a killer? Is a killer or some shit? Oh, you repeat it? This doesn't matter. I'm about to stop playing this shit. That did dope, bro. I know there's a motherfucker in here, dog. It's real? Is it actually real? Let me go find out more information. Let me get him the fuck up on out of here. I'm not even out of here. I'm gonna.
Beating?
Shit is not.
I feel so bad for you, Joshua. No funny business a man like me is ending stream.
I'm not gonna lie, I wanna end like shit now. I don't wanna play this shit. How do I find out which one was it, bro? I'll go back to that nigga. I just go to recent.
You spoilers killed the vibe.
What part did he say that? I just go back in the bottom and see his name in that screen. Dog, I swear to God, you're gonna forget. Dog, I swear to God. Nigga, I didn't even know that was a possible, bro. I don't. That just changes everything now. Like the way I look at, like, bro, that shit ass. Let's find this one. This is one dude right here. Wait. The chat wasn't in sub mode?